Hi children, this is the English activities for Tuesday the 7th of July. Okay, we're going to start off with looking at those 10 spellings again. They're all adverbials of frequency and possibility. Do the look, say, cover, write, check. And then we've got some reading comprehension on mummies, which is a topic that we covered in the ancient Egyptians at the beginning of the year. So you should do well in that, answering those questions. And then we're going to look at The Owl and the Pussycat again by Edward Lear. So when you read it again, can you see what that is new when you read it again? Does it sound different? Are you more familiar with the words? And that's another thing, you've got to look up the words that are mentioned. So these are your spellings. Look, say, cover, write, check. This is the reading comprehension. There's bold words there, might help you. And then you can answer these questions. The answers will be given out tomorrow. So we're going to do some comparisons as well and research vocabulary and write your own version of the sequel and perform it. So this is The Owl and Pussycat again. Read it again, see how well you can read it. Find out what these words mean. You can either look in the dictionary or look at this link. Elegant, foul, tarried or tarry, shilling, quince, runcible. And then you got a further adventure, so it's like a sequel to The Owl and the Pussycat. It's written by Julia Donaldson and Charlotte Vogue. So read it, how different it is from the original. And then we're going to make some predictions. Use words and pictures to complete the prediction sheet. What will the owl and pussycat do? What will they find the ring? How? What will happen at the end? And then you got another sequel called The Owl and the Astronaut. So it's moving on, making it more modern. Read it through. That's by Gareth Owen. And then you're going to plan and maybe write your own new adventure by the owl. Which creature or person does the owl travel with? What transport vehicle do they use for travel? What things do they take with them on their journey? Where do they travel to? And what happens when they get there? And how does the adventure end? Okay, you can write it as a story or as a poem. It could be short, 2 verses. And that's it. Good luck.